The candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET Electronic Science, it is a very good news to you to crack your JRF exam in the 2020. Why? Because the Unacademy launched the Electronic Science complete course for the UGC NET exam. So if you want to crack the JRF in this 2020, then definitely you have to take the subscription plan under this Unacademy. So coming to the subscription plan, you will be having the structured course and the interactive live classes will be there, and you will be having the live tests and the quizzes also will be there. So due to all these points, you are going to get a very good clarity in the conceptual way to clear your exam in a perfect way. So these are the subscription plans for 1 month 2100, and for the 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. So here the different subscription plans are there. So the candidates who wants to subscribe this complete course for the UGC NET Electronic Science, then you may subscribe here any one of these plan. And here the referral code is also there. So it is a referral code you have to use, that is Ashwini K, ASWINIK. So if you use this referral code, then you are going to get the total 10% discount on any one of this subscription plan. The candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, it is a very good news to you. Why? Because here one of my YouTube channel is designed specially for the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So here all the concepts will be explained in detail, and the PPTs are also available to you to download for quick revision and for quick reading purpose. And this YouTube channel link I am providing in the description box of this video. So here, while coming to the present content of the video, it is a state university, one of the state university, that is Gautam Buddha University. So in this one here, the recruitment of guest faculty is happening. Total nearly the 150 posts are there. And here we are going to see the name of the school and the department and the number of the requirement, and the specialization is also mentioned here, just like the qualifications. So coming to the School of Humanities and Social Sciences, Education and Training, political sciences, psychology and mental health. So like this, like that, few departments are there here, you can check down. And coming to the specialization, that the MSW, UGC NET or the PhD qualification is required. So like that, here the eligibilities are also given here, so you may check down as per your department wise, and the number of vacancies also. Coming to the eligibility criteria for the appointment of guest faculty is, the guest faculty shall be engaged for a period of 10 months for odd and even semester. And while coming to the amount wise, the 40,000 rupees per month for the candidates having the PhD, and 35,000 rupees per month for the candidates having the MTech or M-Plan or MBA. And screening of applications shall be done by the committee. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for the interview. So there is no written test also. And the guest faculty shall perform all duties assigned by the universities. Fine. So these are all the requirements. And coming to the thing, the interested candidates may send their applications in the prescribed format to this address on or before 23rd July 2020 up to 5:30 p.m. on this mail ID is also given here. So general instructions of the candidate are also given here. So you please just go through all these details. So anyhow, I will provide this link in the description box of this video. And it is a newspaper advertisement, and here the recruitment of guest faculty in the Department of Economics is separately given here. So just go down, and whatever the application form that you have to fill up, the application form is there. So just click on that one and it will be directed to one Word document. Fill up all the details. And coming to the newspaper advertisement, here you can check it is advertisement we got in the newspaper, that the School of Humanities and Social Science, School of ICT, School of Engineering and Vocational Studies and Applied Science and Law, Justice and Governance. So for details of terms and conditions, specializations, so just now I shown the website, and the interested candidates are required to fill up the application format available on the university website. The scanned copy of a duly filled in and signed application form along with the requisite self-attested documents should be emailed at this one as a single PDF only on or before 23rd July 2020 up to the 5:30 p.m. So it is a clear in detail paper notice which is representing that how to send or how to apply for this job. So these are the details regarding the recruitment, the guest faculty recruitment in the state university. So please share this details or this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Thank you.